Hey, as you know, this channel is designed to build your business. This channel is designed to provide you resources, either free or discounted prices, to start your business, to build your business, to grow your business. So today, what I'm giving you? Today, I'm giving you free resources which you can use to grow your business. And the main resource right now I'm going to use is the YouTube for your business. How you can use YouTube to grow your business. Every major company is doing that. Small company, big company, medium sized company, everyone is doing that. If you are not doing it, it is the high time to get into it and start using the YouTube to grow your business. And I'm giving those resources for free. Though, yes, free resources. Just click on the link below, and those resources are for you. They're for free. I just want you to grow the business. I just want to add value into fellow business owner. So just click on the link below and grow your business. Thank you.